Hi, David is here from Time. So this is a full demo of our product. We will place it on our page in Slack store, so you'll get an idea what our product does and what can it do for you and your business. How you can track time with our product, how you can do stand-ups with our product, how you can create invoices, mark them paid, and how you can organize the process in your business from your employees tracking time to you creating the invoices based on the reports. So let's dive in. So our product is a very simple product. So once you get it installed in your Slack, so all you have to do, if you'd like to start your day, and if anyone would like to start their day, all they need to do is they need to type /t and then the task description. So let's say /t demo. And that starts my task. I didn't start my day yet. So at the very start, when you come to work, so you do /t, a task, and that starts your day. And at the start of the day, if you're admin yourself, if you're an admin and watching this video, so then you need to create what we call the stand-up. So at the start of the day, you do your first task, and then our product reaches out to you with a few questions that you set up. So let's say that we recommend to do 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? And I was doing demos. What will you do today? Doing the same thing. Any obstacles or anything that kind of blocking you from doing your job. And then in my problem today is it's also internet connection. That's why I'm just listed it out. This stand-up get broadcasted to a specific channel, so your teammates, your managers would see what is your stand-up. So you don't have to have a call. Like, you can have calls and daily stand-ups every day, but this just saves you time. So everyone can see what you're up to, what you've done yesterday, and anything blocking you, or someone who can help you with something. So this is fairly simple. And once I start my day, it'll place me on a dashboard. This is a public dashboard, so you can put it on the a link in the browser. You don't have to have a login for it. And the dashboard looks like this. It's just a grid of everyone doing their own tasks. You do it every day. Once you're finished with your task, let's say in demo, you can do the same thing. You can do /t and your task description. If you're going to break, you do /t break. At the end of the day, you do /t finish, and that ends your day. And that creates nice reports. We build our product an assumption that every day you should break your large day of 8 hours or 4 hours, or how many hours do you work, into smaller tasks. And then if you do that in a granular task, if you do that, you always stay in green. So you'll be on the dashboard in green. And typically we'll say like task, 1 hour task would be green, 1.5 would be yellow, and more than 2 hours would be red, which is a bit of an indication that takes you a long time to complete a task. Maybe you run into the problem, your management can pick it up, just reach out to, like saying, hey, what's going on? And things like that. But again, those time frames are customizable and you can turn them off altogether. So you always will stay in green. So this is how the product works. So you have your time tracking, you have your stand-ups, and at the start of the next day, you'll get another stand-up if you have day off, so our product won't reach out to you. You also have invoicing. So you create your invoice, you add your tasks, and you send it to your management. So once the management receives the invoice, that's how it look like. Comes from Time, saying like, guest submitted an invoice for that number, for that figure. You can review that. The management goes, reviews. From the admin perspective, let's say, goes into guest. Okay, well, everything makes sense. All the hours are there, all the amounts are there, the totals, everything matched up. So you would do the payment to your employee, and then just play around with it, and you just mark payment as send. Employee would get a notification from Slack saying, from our board in Slack, saying payment was sent. They'll look for payment. Once they'll receive the payment, there'll be a button mark as paid. So you click that, and it'll be paid in your table. Nice and easy. You can always pull up all the reports, different time frame, different channel, different employee, so you can play around. You can see which tasks were they working on, how long did it take them, how their grid looked like, You can have it all time. You can have it year to date. You can export it to CSV. You can import it to any other program. You can do anything with the data. There's a lot of data. Our product generates a lot of it. None of that data is actually personalized, so we don't really hold any of your emails or anything like that, just tokens on our end. But still, it's very, very powerful data to work with. And if you do the invoicing to your clients, it really helps a lot. And let's quickly go through some settings that we have in our product. So what things can you do in time? So you can obviously do security and billing contacts. You can do notifications. If you'd like to have notifications when a certain task should take a certain time frame, and if you have a break, what is the break time? You can put them unlimited and don't worry about notifications. If you'd set notifications, then our product will reach out to say like, hey, you exceeded the task time. Hey, you've been on the break too long. If you like that, if you'd like to be organized, please make sure that you tick on send notifications. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Time tracking, again, if admin would like to receive like a summary of the day, you put your email address and then the reports come to your email address. Stand-ups, would you like to have those stand-up questions getting sent out every day? What are the questions? How many would you like to send and things like that? Would you like the program to broadcast the answers to a specific channel? You can set that as well. And then a small API that we have just to pull out the data. So that's what our product does, and that's what our product is capable of. You will have your nice time reports. You'd be able to log in your day and kind of like break it down to smaller tasks. You will be able to do stand-ups. You will be able to send the invoice. You will be able to mark that invoice paid. We don't have any payment provider in our product yet, but we will connect like Xero and Stripe as we will evolve our product. But as for now, everything is manual. So you receive an invoice, you pay it somewhere, might pay it, person sees the payment, I can pay it again. So if you have any questions, please email me at david@karmabot.chat, and good luck using our product. If something doesn't make sense, reach out to us. We answer to every single email. Have a great day, and do your tasks on time. Bye-bye.